Abay, our power, our future. From the highlands where the waters rise, under the watch of ancient skies, Abay flows with endless might, a river of hope, a river of light. For centuries long we dreamed in vain to harness the gift, the golden rain. Now we stand, our time has come, the beating heart of Ethiopia is strong. Abay, our river, our pride, our song. You've carried our people through ages long. Now we rise, together we stand, building the future with heart and hand. Voices echo from every shore, stay united forevermore. Farmers, children, mothers, youth, all together in love and truth. No power greater than hearts combined, no dream stronger than a nation's mind. Africa listens, the world will see. Abay shines for humanity. Abay, our river, washed right our song. You carried our people through ages long. Now we rise, together we stand, building the future with heart and hand. From Addis to Gondar, from east to west, our spirit is rising, strong and blessed. No wall can divide, no force can bend the dream of a people who won't descend. East Africa's heartbeat, Africa's flame. Abay has carved our eternal name. Generations prayed and now we build the promise of hope fulfilled. This is our voice, this is our choice. Together in unity rejoice. Ethiopia rising, bold and free. The dam stands tall for the world to see. Not just for us, but for all who dream. Abay's power flows like a stream. Abay should have our fight, our river, our pride, our song. You've carried our people through ages long. Africa rising, strong and grand. Abay forever, our heart, our land. Oh, Africa, lift your head high, your rivers and mountains kiss the sky. No more shadows, no more chains. Through Abay's power, freedom reigns. From Nile to Cape, from sea to shore, our people united forevermore. With hope, with strength, with voices clear. The future of Africa is here. The children will study, the lights will glow. A brighter tomorrow begins to show. Farms will flourish, cities will rise. Abay reflects the African skies. Not only water, not only stone. This dam is ours, it is our own. A symbol of courage, a beacon of might. Abay the river that carries the light. Abay the river that carries my light. Abay our river, our heart, our land. Shining bright, river of strength, river of light. Forever you'll flow, forever you'll stay. The hope of tomorrow, the dream of today. Abay, our river, our pride, our song. You've carried our people through ages long. Africa's rising, bold and free. The power of love, the strength of unity. Now we rise, together we stand. Abay forever, our heart, our land. Abay shining bright, river of strength, river of light. Forever you'll flow, forever you'll stay. The hope of tomorrow, the dream of today.